Hey there everyone, how are you doing? Joe Martin here from MobileCupOfJoe.com, ready to bring you some more steaming hot mobile tech news from the wide world of mobile technology. In this episode of Mobile Cup of Joe, Apple is supposedly working on a new smartwatch and wants to release it sometime next year. Samsung wants to push out the Android 4.1 Jelly Bean update to the original Samsung Galaxy Note. And love it or hate it, the Metro UI from Windows 8 is here to stay in Windows Blue. All that and more coming up in this episode of Mobile Cup of Joe. But guys, before we go any further, please go ahead and grab that coffee cup, fill it up, bring it over, and sit on down and take a swig from your Mobile Cup of Joe. So to get things started, let's just talk about Apple, get it out of the way. So in the last episode of Mobile Cup of Joe, we had rumors about an iPad 5 coming out sometime next March, but more Apple rumors are already hitting the web. This time it's a little bit different though. This time we have reports about a smartwatch coming from Apple. Now if you remember from not this last iPod Nano that was released, but if you think the one previous before that, it was a little kind of like a square that Apple designed it like, and a lot of people bought a strap for it and used it kind of as a watch to display relevant information about music and everything. Well, a lot of people wanted Apple to take this idea and take it further with the new Nano, but they didn't, and a lot of people got upset about this. People want a little smartwatch to add that displays relevant information like Twitter updates, Facebook updates, missed call updates, text messages, and everything. Well, Apple could be building something like this with a new smartwatch. It's expected to come out sometime next year in 2013, cost around $100 or $200, and have a 1.5-inch display. So now, if your iPhone 5 is in your pocket, bring out your new smartwatch with a 1.5-inch display and check your texts, type on it if you want to. I don't know, this sounds really stupid to me. If you want to see if you got a new call, it's called turning on the ringer of your phone and picking it up, and it's a really a cool thing they're putting into phones now. This is just stupid to me. If you want to see if you have a new text message or a new call, listen to the ringer on your smartphone. It's not that hard to do. But I guess some of you want this for some reason. It sounds stupid to me. But there you go, an Apple smartwatch sometime next year. Now heading over to our Korean friends at Samsung, they're actually something new and pretty cool. The original Samsung Galaxy Note that came out back in 2011, so it looks like it's going to get some Android 11 goodness and get updated to 4.1 Jelly Bean, and this is actually really awesome. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 came out a couple months ago and it shipped with Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, and that is a freaking beautiful phone. 5.5 inches display of AMOLED goodness, just so beautiful. But the original Galaxy Note is nothing to look ashamed at. Still a really great phone. And to see this getting updated to Android 4.1 is just awesome. It's even going to get multi-window support, which allows you to run two apps simultaneously on the phone. Multi-window, so one app looks like a window and another app is a window, but actually really cool. It's a great multitasking feature. If you have not had a chance to use it, go ahead and try it out at a Best Buy or wherever you can try Samsung products, I guess. It's actually a really cool feature though. But I am really giving Samsung a clap on the back for doing this, because it's not that often you see manufacturers of smartphones, especially Android, update their phones to a new operating system, especially Samsung. They're not known for being that great about updating their phones. So to see them update the Samsung Galaxy Note, the original one, to 4.1 Jelly Bean is awesome. The new Note 2L is a great phone. It cost about $650 unlocked and around $200 on a 2-year contract, so it's definitely not a cheap piece of tech. And if a lot of people already have the original Galaxy Note, so it's going to be nice for them to see some old love from Samsung and get a taste of some Jelly Bean goodness, get that bad, well not bad, but kind of old taste of ice cream sandwich out of their mouths. And we don't know what carriers will get the update to 4.1 on the Galaxy Note, and we don't know when we can expect the update, aside from sometime next year. Now, if you're in China and looking to buy a Nokia Lumia 920, if you're looking to buy one on China's Unicom mobile network, you actually have some pretty good news. China Unicom is a cell phone service in China, obviously. They're offering the Nokia Lumia 920 for free. Now, this is an awesome deal. Nokia Lumia 920 is easily Nokia's best smartphone offering to date, running Windows Phone 8 OS with a dual-core processor, an awesome Carl Zeiss lens, and a really beautiful display. And it's a really great phone, but it's pricey at 99 bucks. Not the most expensive phone, but still kind of expensive for some people. China Unicom is offering it for free though. Only downside is it is on a 3-year contract. So as long as you don't mind signing into a contract that long, go ahead and get the 920. It's actually a really, really good deal. I have had the chance to play around with the 920. I've got the 820 for those of you that don't know, and it's a great phone. This is the younger brother of the 920, and this is an awesome phone. So then, like I said, I played around with the 920 before, and it's an awesome offering. So if you live in China, want to get your hands on Windows Phone 8, want to get a free awesome device, don't mind staying in a contract for 3 years, this is a really great deal. And in our last story of the day, we're talking about Microsoft. So, did you get your new Windows 8 laptop or computer over Christmas? I know I did. Do you love or do you hate that Metro user interface on there? I personally am a fan of it. I love how fluid it is. I love how it ties all your content together with those live tiles. Some people don't like it though. They say it gets in the way of the original desktop and start menu. But an anonymous tester of Windows Blue, which is the codename to the successor of Windows 8, reports that the Metro UI is here to stay, like it or not. It says that it will be a little bit more customizable and that you will still be able to access the original Windows desktop. Also, a little interesting tidbit from this report of the anonymous tester of Windows Blue hints that Microsoft may be considering doing yearly updates to Windows, like Apple handles their OS X operating system for their Mac computers and laptops, instead of just after a few years releasing these ginormous and gargantuous updates to the Windows software. I personally am in favor of this. While Windows 8 is a great improvement over Windows 7, there was no real availability to learn the new Windows 8 operating system, the way it operated. A jump from Windows 7 to Windows 8 is huge. There was no ease of use into it. But Microsoft just said, you know what, if you want to upgrade to Windows 8, go for yourself and learn it. They don't want to deal with the confusion people are going to have to deal with. So yearly updates, I think, would be a great way to slowly introduce consumers to new features that Microsoft wants to implement into their devices. So that's all the news I have for you today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you liked it, takes 1 second to do so. It really helps support the show. And if you want to show your support towards the show even more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at the top of the screen for more Mobile Cup Joe videos. And you guys know, we are on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. And don't forget to check out our website at mobilecupofjoe.com for the latest mobile tech news outside of these videos. All the stories we talked about in this episode can be found on our website. I'm your host, Joe Martin. I'm from mobilecupofjoe.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Additional desktop settings, but what was I gonna freaking say? Son of a... Whoa, that was last episode. Not doing Gunman style. This episode, I guess. That's cool.